Once you have a general pose, you can start fine-tuning separate parts of the model by selecting them and then using the rotation sliders. You can do that by selecting any white body part on the model. And you will notice that it then turns green and some rotation arrows appear around it. On the bottom of the screen, the rotation sliders become visible as well. Notice that the colors on the model correspond to the rotation sliders. Generally speaking, the red slider is for bending, blue rotates the body part sideways, and green is used to apply a twisting rotation. Dragging the model and rotating with sliders work well together, but generally it's safest to drag first and rotate later to fine-tune the rough pose. As a last tip, you can also rotate the entire model. To do that, you select the pelvis and now the sliders will rotate the entire model. Check out the full tutorial playlist to learn more about how to use Manikin. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.